Okay guys, welcome to my video how to make $300 every single day with Clickbank. Basically, you can use this method to promote any affiliate link or any affiliate network. You can use this method to promote your PaySpree or Warrior Plus or CPA offers. You can use this method to promote any affiliate network and earn a commission daily. Basically, with this video, guys, I will show you how exactly you can make money with Clickbank. If you don't have an account, you can go here and create a free account. If you already have an account, you can go to login, and I will show you how exactly you can make $300, sometimes more, sometimes less, but average $300 daily with Clickbank. So let's visit Clickbank. Let's log in. And we will get this page. You can see my earning over $2,200, $3,200 to 1,100. This is weekly, like you know, and you can see here daily average 300, sometimes 100. You can see here sometimes 200. Sometimes you can see here for sorry 400, but basically average I make $300 every single day. So I will show you how exactly to how to choose a very convert uh, product that you can get a commission and sales daily, and how to use top traffic source to promote your affiliate link and get a commission and sales daily. So basically, this is the dashboard of Clickbank. You can see here in the top marketplace. And we will get this page. You can see here you can find a product. You can type any niche you want, that you really like it and you really want to promote. And you can see here in the left categories. And if you click here, you can see some sub-categories. There is a lot of categories and sub-categories that you can choose your product and promote and get a commission. There is a fantastic product here that you can get sales daily. All you have to do is get a real traffic that convert, and let's go. So the product that I will show you right now, the niche that I am using is solo ads. Let's visit. You can put in the search, okay, find product, so you can see solo ads, and then you can see here keywords relevance. So I recommend to choose gravity. Okay, now we get some product that we can really promote and get a commission with this product. This is a fantastic product. I like this niche. Solo ads. Solo ads is the best niche. I am using this niche over 2 years for now. So basically, you can use it too, and you can get a commission using this category too. Okay, so you can see here, let's say this product, let's say visit. So we will get this very convert and very nice product. You can see, okay, this is a fantastic, and you can see it's only $37, but you will get $16 for every sale. Okay, so basically this is a good product. There is more products that you can use here and promote. But for this video, I will show you this product, how you can promote this product and how to get traffic, fantastic traffic to this product. Okay. So basically all you have to do is you can see here promote. So all you have to do is click promote and get your affiliate link. So you have here create. So let's click create and we will get this page. Now your affiliate link, this is your affiliate link, okay? Not this, okay? You have to choose this affiliate link in the top and promote and get traffic to this link. So let's copy. So let's copy and we can close this window. Okay, now I want to show you 3 traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link. This traffic is the best traffic source that you can use it to get a commission and sales daily. Remember, you can use any product here. Okay, there is unlimited product here that you can use from solo ads niche. This is very important, so you can get any solo ads niche product from this category and get traffic. Now let's go to the traffic that I want to show you. 3 traffic source to promote your affiliate link. Traffic, so let's go. Traffic source number 1 is safetrafficrotator.com. Safetrafficrotator.com is one of the best traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link. All you have to do, you can see here, are you looking for safe, cheap advertising for your website? This is very important, guys. You have to choose a safe traffic, okay? You have to choose a safe traffic for your affiliate link, not any traffic, not software traffic, and not bot traffic. You have to choose a safe and very convert traffic. You can see, do you need traffic to your affiliate link? Of course. So how this work, you can see here, you have to put your name, your email, and your site. So let's put my site and my name and my email, and we can you can choose your package here. Okay, this is very cheap. Like you see, 25,000 visitors, only almost $15. This is a great. Okay, that's why I like this traffic. This is safe and very cheap and very convert traffic. So basically, your name and your email, your site, very important, and choose your package. Of course, you have to click this inbox and click order now. Okay, so you can see here, you have to confirm that everything is okay. Very important to check if your link is well, and that's it. All you have to do is click buy now, and you have to wait to approved your campaign, and then you will get traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, I think you get the point. Get traffic, choose your put your name, your email, and your choose your package, and uh, put your link, affiliate link, and get traffic. Okay, traffic source number 2 is you can see here, welcome to Turbo website traffic. Okay, this is the best online web traffic service. Okay, uh, basically this is one of the very good traffic that you can get to your affiliate link. So how this work, you can see here in the top, advertise, and you will get this form. Okay, like your name, your link. So let's put my name, link, uh, my name, my email. Okay, my name, my email, and your affiliate link. In this case, my affiliate link, and choose your package, and check this inbox. Okay, and click submit now. Okay, this is very simple, I think. Okay, your name, your email, your affiliate link, and your package, and submit now. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, check if everything is okay. Your name, your email, traffic package, and your affiliate link. This is very important. Check if everything is well. Okay, all you have to do is order now and get traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, traffic source number 3. Let's visit traffic cache list. Okay, this traffic also is one of the best traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. This traffic is a fantastic traffic to promote your affiliate network. You can use it to promote your CPA offers, your Clickbank affiliate link. You can promote ClickSure, Max Bounty, and Perfly. Even you can build your list using this traffic source. Okay, so how this work? You can see here unlimited website visitors. You can see solo ads. You can see premium traffic and the lifetime traffic. Let's visit lifetime traffic, and we will get this page. You can see lifetime traffic only $18. So how this work? All you have to do is put your affiliate link here, your name, okay, your password, and your email address, and you can see here, add this to my cart and buy this package. This is one of the best traffic that you can use to promote and get sales daily. Okay, very important if you want to make money online is to choose a good product, good niche, and good and convert traffic. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Thank you very much.